it's funny when your boy's thinking about starting a YouTube channel with a ZR1 as GTO, but now he might cop a twin turbo Gallardo.
Yeah.
So I don't know, guys. I'm just filming this just in case he does start a YouTube channel.
In case you want me to repeat what I said earlier.
But in case he buys it, in case he buys it.
What happened earlier was I told Ray if I was like him and didn't give a shit about cars, I would trade my ZR1 in and get the Lambo today. But I'm too attached to my cars. So that's why I'm having the distraught look that I have.
Why do you have to make me sound like such a monster?
Because you're cold-hearted, man. You're a savage, and you know that. You're a savage Ray.
I'm a nice guy.
Yes.
Check out that sheer on. By the way, Lamborghini Newport Beach, now down the street from my house in Irvine. Not a good thing, because he told me numbers on a Huracan, and I can totally ditch the F and cop. But I will not, because I'm smart. And broke. By the way, I've never seen Neil this troubled. He's trying to distract himself on Instagram.
I'm trying not to
He
think about
still
this.
looks troubled AF, dude. I've never seen him this worried.
Problem.
I mean, do you guys... Does that car really matter? It's a dream of his, so he needs to keep the ZR1. Because he wants to keep the ZR1 and the UGR Lambo side by side.
Twin turbo underground racing Superleggera is also a dream of mine.
Just take a picture to flex
and one
on.
just landed at my feet, so. And it's in the color I want, which is a problem.
And it's done by the most reputable twin turbo shop out there.
And it's low mileage and it's clean as fuck.
I mean, I feel like it's kind of calling out your name, bro.
I know.
I mean, you can just take pictures of both of them together while you trade it in and just like stunt on IG for like 3 weeks. Like, just go do a full photo shoot down the street, like if you owned them.
And pretend like most people, like most YouTube people, I could probably just pretend like I own both cars.
Yeah,
Make
even though the car's
make
been
one
gone.
disappear.
Yeah.
Make it seem like I'm a baller for like 2 months and then just post one car.
Yeah, you just do a photo shoot, dude. You post it for the next 6 months, even though the car's been gone the entire time.
Yeah, that's like all those girls that travel to like Europe and like post
on
pictures
the
from
yachts.
Europe.
Yeah, dude. Like girls catfish with filters
Yeah,
and that,
dude,
and dudes just catfish with like things they no longer own.
Exactly, yeah.
UGR Lambos.
I'm just gonna stand next to this Urus and pretend like it's mine. Half the people won't be able to know. You know?
Okay, little pump, little yacht ears, whatever buys that shit.
Here comes the...
Dude, Ryan just asked me if there's any food in my car, and then he told me to go get micheladas. Just crazy. By the way, guys, there's the plug, Matt, at Lambo Newport. If you guys ever need anything.
Sounds better.
So, I was talking to the actual mechanic.
I think Neil walked around. Oh, there he
Let's
is.
go find you.
There's the face of a man that's about to make a bad decision.
What I was hearing was a 720. I was like, I think I hear the car.
So it was cool. I actually got a chance to talk to one of the mechanics. He's like our shop foreman, Lambo nut. He goes to Italy once a year. Apparently, we have 3 clients that have these, and he has one guy that has multiple of them. And he's been working with them for a couple of years.
Oh, nice.
He said at this stage, he goes, it's a full race engine. They're never going to idle perfect.
Oh.
But it does idle a lot better if you want to fire back up. It's got fresh fuel in it.
Gotcha.
But he said pretty much. That was his only recommendation.
A parachute or two.
Yeah.
I actually had these same wheels on my RCF when I first bought it.
No way.
Yeah. This car's clean, man.
He said he likes it too.
I like the car.
They notice AC off, it's going to be way smoother too.
Yeah, exactly. And it's only lower because it doesn't even have the compressor.
Yo, guys, I think this is absolutely hilarious. I've never seen Neil like that, like worried. Like he's so scared he's gonna buy this car, and honestly, I feel like he is. And I think he should, mostly because like he's been looking at Lambos for like 6 months, and he can totally do it. And this checks all the boxes. Like, why not? Just like stop waiting. But he might lag for a day or two, and then he'll call. But mark my words, he's gonna buy that car for sure. Engine line went on in the car?
Yeah.
What do you think it is?
I don't know, but the throttle, I was trying to blip the throttle to hear it rev, and it was a little laggy. So I think the car might be gone into limp mode, but it might be an O2 sensor or something like that.
Could be no Tucson because if they had it on 91 and
car's
put
been-
race gas all of a sudden.
Yeah, well, the car is adapted to do that, but Brian's got a good point. It might have been sitting for a while. And I know, like, you know, in my dad's Jag, the SVR, that thing will foul an O2 plug because it doesn't get driven.
Really?
So, yeah, same thing happens, yeah. And I did the same with the ZR1. When I got the ZR1, it had 900 miles on it. It's a fucking 8-year-old car, you know, so I just O2s, no new O2s. It's a part that will wear. So, you know, who knows when the twin turbo kit was done. The kit, you know, they might be a couple years old. That is probably what I'm thinking. Other than that, the car seems to idle
It's
fine.
actually a good question to ask him when the whole kit was done.
Yeah, I wanted to. I now that I know the guy's name, it was built for Richard Holt. So
Okay.
I'll try to see if I can track down.
I'm sure you could.
Oh, track him down and see what he did to the car.
No, I just need to see when it was built. Like I know what mileage the car's at now, and I have I have
See how
the
many cars it
Carfax.
beat.
The Carfax is that?
See how many cars it beat.
How many cars? it
Hey Neil,
Yeah.
I'm always super impressed by how you like carry yourself so professionally in any situation. But also, I think you should stop hyperventilating.
Yeah, I know. I need to give me a brown bag, right?
Oh, the clear bro on the carbon
No,
fiber or
it's
what?
the carbon, the actual splitter. I think it's cracked.
Yeah.
Or the fucking
Neil thought that was a decal, but really that's a crack in the
I was like, oh, that's a weird place to put a sticker.
I mean, when you're going 250 miles an hour in Mexico, you're probably gonna get that anyways.
You know what else happened? The car's so fast, the UGR sticker's full up.
Yeah, the UGR
So
stickers.
did the
flew off.
windshield wipers.
Fuck.
Dude, it's actually probably just a sheepy kit.
Maybe.
Stage 5
Stage 5.
race package.
Just a sheet kit.
Sheepy's kits are excellent.
They're good.
Yeah.
Yeah, sheepy's kits are really good,
Well,
bro.
they're good. He's had some issues lately, like, you know, with oil lines and stuff coming off on customers' cars.
That's like small stuff though. Plus he's
like
local,
catching on
which
fire.
works
Small
out.
stuff.
Catching on fire. I haven't actually seen a car burn down. There was a Huracan up north that I think had an oil line feed, oil line or something like that come off. It looked like the car caught. It actually did. The car did catch fire.
It was just I think it was like the header wrap. He had
Yeah,
that car
so-
shipped down. He fixed it within the weekend.
Exactly. Yeah.
So she has good customer service.
The wheels got it.
I want to be when I get my Lambo, I might actually take it to him. To be honest,
Oh, Rash?
unless I buy one that's already twin turbo. So you never know. Hey, so like, you think Neil's gonna cop?
I think you might.
I think there's a pretty good
I think
chance.
there's like probably an 80% chance.
80%,
Yeah.
like on the dot. To look at Matt, he's being such a good like customer service guy.
How do you know this guy?
Just car shows, bro.
Yeah.
Well, actually, no. My buddy Rudy, he was looking at 720s, like not to buy right then, but he's like they're gonna come out with an LT, so we went to Lambo McLaren or Lambo McLaren, McLaren Newport, and that's where I met Matt. So that was pretty cool. He's clean, dude.
I love the color. I'm not normally an orange guy, but
On Lambos,
This-
it works.
this works.
Oh yeah, for
It
sure.
definitely works.
What about the orange on that 720 over there?
Meh,
Meh.
meh. Well, 2 Caltrans for me.
2 Caltrans. Oh, like I don't really like Gallardos, but the freaking the Superleggera is next level. Like you still see one of these and you're like, that shit's sick. But you see a regular Gallardo and you're like, eh.
I feel like just knowing the fact that it's UGR, just the way it looks, you're like, that's got to be a UGR car. With the HREs, with the Toyos. You know
Yeah.
what I mean? Like, it has that UGR look automatically.
I know, dude. That's why when I get a Huracan, like it's gonna need a HREs. There's no other like thing.
Yeah.
Because the thing is like it's UGR twin turbo that's got HREs, like you said. They didn't skimp on anything. It does have the look, that's for sure.
The only thing I'm pretty bummed that it doesn't have is the CCBs.
Yeah, the carbon ceramic
Yeah.
brakes would be freaking ill. That being said, I don't really think they're that necessary, dude.
No, probably not.
Because I mean, these will probably stop just fine.
Just
And
another added expense for when it comes time to change those brakes.
yeah, that's what I'm
Like,
saying.
insane.
Like it'll stop just fine, but if you had to replace those CCBs, bro, woo. And I know they say they last the life of the car, but not when you're pushing over 1,000 wheel. It's coming out. It's just cool. What is this old guy doing over here? Could be a customer. You never know. But Neil's feels like. I'm gonna watch him drive it real quick. Dude, that thing sounds crazy. The clout level, look how good that thing looks rolling.
It smells amazing too.
Even in idle, you can hear.
The car probably hasn't been driven in a while.
Yeah, that might be it.
All right, well, we'll buy this car, find out next time. I'm gonna go finish my RCF. There we go.